Lord, I offer my life to you, everything as we do. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Thank you for loving me. Even in my eyes, I couldn't see. God gave me you and show me what feel. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. I found with you.